Why needle breakage during sewing? Let's see some root cause analysis and corrective action plan. Root cause analysis. 1. Fabric compatibility. Assess if the needles being used are appropriate for the specific fabric types being sewn. Incompatibility between needle types and fabric thickness or composition can lead to breakage. 2. Needle size and type. Evaluate if the needles selected are suitable for the specific fabric being used. Using incorrect needle sizes or types for certain fabrics can increase the risk of breakage. 3. Material defects in fabric. Investigate if the fabric itself contains defects such as knots, thick seams, or foreign objects that could cause needle breakage during sewing. 4. Machine settings. Determine if the sewing machine settings, such as thread tension, stitch length, and speed, are optimized for the fabric being used. Incorrect settings can put excessive stress on the needles, leading to breakage. 5. Operator training. Assess if operators are trained to recognize different fabric types and adjust machine settings and needle types accordingly. Lack of knowledge or experience in handling various fabrics can contribute to needle breakage. Corrective action plan. 1. Fabric testing. Conduct thorough testing to determine the most appropriate needle types and sizes for different fabric types used in production. 2. Needle selection protocol. Implement a protocol for selecting the correct needle size and type based on the fabric being sewn. Provide guidelines and reference charts for operators to follow. 3. Quality control of fabric. Establish quality control measures to inspect incoming fabric for defects before it is used in production. Implement procedures to remove any defective fabric or address issues that could cause needle breakage. 4. Machine settings guidelines. Develop guidelines for setting up sewing machines based on the fabric type being used. Provide training to operators on adjusting machine settings for different fabrics to prevent needle breakage. 5. Operator training program. Enhance operator training programs to include comprehensive instruction on identifying fabric types and selecting appropriate needles and machine settings. Provide hands-on practice sessions to improve skills in fabric handling. 6. Monitoring and feedback mechanism. Implement a system for monitoring needle breakage incidents and gathering feedback from operators. Use this information to identify trends and areas for improvement in fabric handling and needle selection. 7. Documentation and reporting. Establish a reporting system for documenting incidents of needle breakage related to fabric issues. Analyze reports to identify recurring problems and implement corrective actions accordingly. 8. Supplier communication. Maintain open communication with fabric suppliers to address any issues related to fabric quality and compatibility. Collaborate with suppliers to find solutions and improve the quality of incoming fabric. By addressing these root causes and implementing the corresponding corrective actions, you can reduce the risk of needle breakage associated with different fabric types, leading to more efficient and reliable sewing processes.